Kitchen Recipes, and today we have a snowy day outside. See that or not? Here's a better look at the snow in my backyard. We are cooking inside today. We're inside. We're gonna make a pot of game day chili. You can have it anytime, obviously, but we love to make it during football season, even though it is almost over. Go Chiefs. Anyway, so we're gonna throw together a chili in the crock pot. So check this out. Okay, I've got a pound of hot sausage and a pound of ground chuck, and we're just gonna cook that up before we add it to our pot. If I can get all this paper off of there. Anyway, you know how to cook meat, right? Get it all mixed up a little bit. And of course we will finish it off here just like that. You want your ground beef all cooked through and through, and your sausage. And then I'm going to get my green chilies, my hatch green chilies. Those are the ones I grilled. Dice them up. And we're going to start adding the ingredients to my crock pot with a crock pot liner. I'm going to add the ground beef and sausage mixture. I'm going to get that all in there. Now I'm going to add my medium onion diced up, and I'm going to put my chopped green chilies, my diced green chilies in there. You can use jalapenos, whatever you want. It's New Mexico, so we use our green chilies. Right? So I got a can of kidney beans, light red, and a can of dark red. These are drained and washed. Just start dumping everything in. I got my fire roasted deep tomatoes. I'm going to be adding 3 cans of those. You can find this recipe on my website, mankitchenrecipes.com. I will put a link below. There's the 3rd can. This is a great chili recipe, so you definitely want to check this out. I'm going to add ground cumin, about a teaspoon. If I can get it to come out of that jar. Okay, just like that. That's about a teaspoon. Now I'm going to add some of my red chili. I want to put 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. This is my favorite chili powder. It's from Chili Traditions in New Mexico. It's the gourmet chili powder. It's sun-dried instead of dehydrated, so it's really good. Okay, next I am going to add a tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of Worcester sauce. Wash your sister sauce. Now about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just using the minced garlic out of the jar, so I'm going to put a little over, probably about a tablespoon and a half. Let's get that in there. And then next, I'm going to add some red chili flakes. About a teaspoon, not a whole lot. You can add as much as you want. It just depends how spicy you want it. And the recipe calls for tomato paste. I don't have any, so I'm going to cheat. I'm going to put some ketchup in here. About a 1/4 cup. Okay, so now I'm going to add 2 cups of beef broth. This is a 4-cup box, so we're going to add about half of it. Now normally I add 3 stalks of celery. I did not have any celery, and I just didn't want to go out in the snow to go get any. So you can leave it out, but it is good if you leave it in. And then of course we're just going to mix it up real good. And after this, we're going to go ahead and set our crock pot and get this going. Okay, so just put the lid on it, snap it shut, turn the crock pot on. I'm going to set it to 8 hours on low. It'll probably be ready in about 4.5 to 5. Okay, Okay, so this chili video is sponsored by GT's Barbecue. Went to the mail, got my sticker from Gary over at GT's Barbecue and Catering. I gotta tell you, Gary, he's got a great channel. You should go check him out. I swear he's a brother from another mother. We always have a lot of videos that we have similar, and it's kind of funny. He'll come out with one and I've had one waiting, vice versa. And anyway, he just did a white chili recipe, and I'm doing a regular chili because it's snowing outside. So anyway, go check out Gary's channel, like, subscribe, and we're going to add him to our Beer Fridge Hall of Fame. Gary, we're going to put you, let's see, we'll put you right here underneath Barbecue Pit Dog. All right, there we go, Gary. Thanks for the sticker. All right, we'll get back to our chili video. Okay, so this has been in the crock pot for 4.5 hours now. It is ready to serve. I got to get a couple other things going, but look at this. This is the best chili. I love this chili. So if you get a chance, check out the recipe, give it a try, and I think you'll enjoy it. So will everyone else. So anyway, what goes great with chili? New Mexican cornbread. Made a batch of this to go along with the chili. And I usually just top my chili with some shredded cheese. You can top it with whatever you want. Serve it with some of this New Mexico cornbread, or any cornbread goes great with chili. But this New Mexican cornbread, oh my gosh, it is so good. It is also on my website at mankitchenrecipes.com. So let's get a taste test of this. That's how you make this game day chili. It's almost Super Bowl when this was filmed anyway. And this is, man, this is like probably one of my most favorite chilies to make. It is so good. We're gonna take a bite of it. I've made this many times. It always comes out perfect every time. So, go to my website, mankitchenrecipes.com. It'll have this recipe, it'll have this video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.